No narration.
Okay.
The beginning of Hurricane Arthur. We're in Greenville, looking at the window. And the police is cruising up and down looking like he's looking for something to do. Or maybe he's gonna show the storm his badge and say, "You gotta leave." Who knows? But first time we seen him, since the first time we came here, we got harassed by him. Basically because I guess pretty young woman and a big black man sitting in the car. So we know the history. We know the history, and it's sad still to this day. But that's the way it is. So he's cruising by here, looking around, looking all. I don't know what it is, but who knows? They have too much power, simple as that. But we give it to them. So who can blame?